Hi, Mark here. Friday, November the 14th. It's 9:45 a.m. Eastern, 2:45 p.m. GMT. Let's have a look at the US dollar's performance. Small red candlestick was a solid red candlestick that's selling US dollar index and a continuation of this sell-off and downtrend we've seen the last 7 days. But a familiar pattern, the US dollar fighting back when the US session gets underway. You can see the fight back and the wickets left behind. So now US dollar index sitting matching yesterday's close. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you see the strong sell-off and then the fight back by the US when the US session got underway, and now sitting pretty much in the middle of that range. Let's have a look at the majors, starting with the euro against the US. There you see a doji-like candle showing indecision, has tried higher and lower. I've got resistance at 116.53. I've got support at 116.07 and sitting right now right back where it started. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see initially weak US dollar, that's buying euro, selling US. And now in the last 2 hours, you see a fight back, selling euro, buying US. So US fighting its way back and sitting in the middle of that range for now. Let's have a look at the pound against the US on the dailies to start. Also has tried higher and lower. I've got support at 131.08. I've got resistance 132.03, sitting roughly in the middle of that range. Small green candlestick still. Let us zoom in on the hourly. And there you see initially there is buying pound, selling US, the green candle. And in the last hour, selling pound, buying US, the US trying to fight its way back and selling right now at that 31.64. Buyers, of course, will be looking up at the 132 level. Sellers will be looking down at the 131 level. Let's have a look at the US yen. Weak US dollar to start. That was a solid red candlestick following up on the double top we had. I've got resistance 154.79. I've got support at 153.61. Already a good 100 pip move. Was solid red, as I say, the wickets left behind. That's the US dollar fighting its way back. Let's have a look at the hourly. And there you see the fight back from the US up the support level. Buyers looking back up at the 154.79. Sellers of US, buyers of yen looking down at the 153.61 support level. And the US against the Canadian. And we know Canadian has been strong against the US. There you see the downtrend. US did fight back yesterday, but you can see Canadian fighting back today. Red candlestick selling US, buying Canadian. I've got resistance at 140.46 and I've got support at 140.12. Downtrend intact. EMA is crossed to the downside. This green candlestick yesterday's could have been interpreted as a bullish engulfing candle, but so far it does look like it's back to US dollar weakness, Canadian strength, and sellers looking down at the support level. We've got resistance and support levels to work with. Good trading, and I'll see you at end of day session.